Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Trading Critique. Today we're diving into a token that's hopped into the spotlight with its unique spin on the meme coin world. We're talking about Hoppy Token. Let's get into what makes Hoppy Token more than just another meme coin. Hoppy's journey started as a fun, meme-inspired project, but it's quickly become a symbol of community and positivity in the digital world. Inspired by the famous meme character created by artist Matt Fury, Hoppy isn't just about laughs. It's about bringing people together. Let's talk tech. Hoppy Token initially launched on the Ethereum blockchain, but in January, it made a big move to the Solana network. Why? Two main reasons: speed and cost efficiency. Solana allows faster transactions and lower fees compared to Ethereum's sometimes pricey gas fees. This shift shows the team's commitment to making Hoppy accessible and scalable as the community grows. So, if you're tired of high gas fees, Hoppy on Solana could be a breath of fresh air. Now, let's get into what really sets Hoppy apart from other meme coins. A lot of meme coins are dominated by whales, a small number of wallets holding the majority of the supply. Hoppy's a bit different. In Hoppy, the top 10 holders own only about 24% of the supply, and the top 100 holders control around 54%. This more balanced distribution reduces the risk of big holders manipulating prices, creating a more stable environment for everyday investors. Security and transparency are top priorities for Hoppy. The smart contract is tamper-proof and designed to be clear and secure, which builds trust in each transaction. Plus, the Hoppy team has gone out of its way to keep the community informed through frequent updates and an open line of communication. This focus on transparency is part of why Hoppy has developed such a loyal fan base. But Hoppy isn't just about tech and tokens, it's about community and creativity. The Hoppy Token community is all about having fun, sharing memes, and fostering creativity. Whether you're a meme artist, a crypto enthusiast, or just someone looking for a supportive online community, Hoppy's got a space for you. This approach has helped Hoppy evolve from a just-for-fun coin into a project people genuinely feel connected to. Like any good story, Hoppy has a roadmap packed with future milestones. Phase 1 was all about building a foundation, spreading memes, and growing the community. But Phase 2 aims to reach 100,000 holders and establish Hoppy as a major player in the meme token space. In Phase 3, the goal is to take over the meme universe, which means more community-driven events, collaborations, and possibly partnerships. The Hoppy team has big ambitions, and the roadmap gives us a glimpse into where this journey might lead. Now, before you go all in, remember that meme coins are risky. They're volatile, and most don't survive long-term. Hoppy has a promising setup, but like with any investment, only put in what you're prepared to lose. Hoppy has shown resilience and growth, but the crypto market is unpredictable. As always, do your research, stay updated, and think about the risks. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Trading Critique for more in-depth crypto insights.